Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. Do you want to boost conversions by drawing your visitors' focus to your inline campaigns? If you have a Plus or higher subscription to OptinMonster, you can do exactly that with our Attention Activation feature. In this video, I'll show you how to enable attention activation on your inline campaigns. But first, if you haven't done so already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Now, let's get started. I've just finished designing my inline campaign, and now I'm ready to enable the attention activation feature. To do so, navigate to Settings, and then, under the Inline Settings menu in the Basic tab, simply toggle the Enable Attention Activation setting. And that's it. Then, you simply need to save and publish your changes, and then embed the campaign in the location you want it to appear on your site. If you have any questions, browse through our helpful documentation. Or, for further assistance, you can submit a support ticket, and we'd be happy to help.